In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Ghibli-style images with ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in and start our creative journey. First things first, you'll want to visit the ChatGPT website. To do this, simply type the URL into your preferred web browser. If you're unfamiliar with the interface, take a moment just to look around. You'll notice it's user-friendly, making it easy for you to start generating some incredible images. Now that we're all set up on ChatGPT, the next step is to think about what kind of images you want to create. If you have any photos or files that you'd like to use as inspiration, this is the perfect time to upload them. Look for the option that says Add Photos and Files. Usually you'll find this option in the chat area or at the bottom of the screen. When you click on it, a prompt will appear, allowing you to select a file from your device. However, keep in mind that using your own images is totally optional. If you feel inspired to make something completely original, go ahead and skip the upload. Once your file is uploaded, it's time to get creative. This part of the process is where the magic really begins. You'll want to craft a prompt that is specific and detailed. For instance, if you envision a beautiful landscape that captures the whimsical charm of a Studio Ghibli film, don't hesitate to type that into the chat box. Describe all the elements you can think of. Imagine the setting, the colors, and any characters you have in mind. The more vividly you paint the picture with your words, the closer the output will be to the enchanting scenes you imagine. After you've meticulously typed out your prompt, the next step is to hit the Enter button. This will send your request into the world of image generation. Trust me, the excitement builds as you're waiting for the creation to come to life before your eyes. Sometimes it might take a bit of time for ChatGPT to conjure up the artwork, so be patient. And now we arrive at the moment we've all been eagerly anticipating. Once your image is generated, you're going to want to save it to your device. Look for the download option, which is generally displayed right next to the image. When you click on that, you'll be prompted to choose a desired location where you want to save your artwork. And voila! You now have your own stunning Ghibli-style image. Feel free to admire it, display it in your home, or share it with friends who will undoubtedly be amazed by your creativity. Remember, the beauty of creating Ghibli-style images lies in capturing that whimsical essence through stunning visuals and enchanting narrative scenes. Don't hold back. Experiment with different prompts and styles. Every time you create, it can be a new adventure filled with unique and delightful surprises, allowing your imagination to soar. And that's a wrap. You now know how to generate your very own Ghibli-style images using ChatGPT. Pretty simple, right? I truly hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful in unlocking your creative potential. If you have any questions, or perhaps there's something specific you'd like to learn about in our next video, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to click that subscribe button to stay updated with all our future videos. Happy creating, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.